Hi friends, today we're gonna make some spooky cocktails. These cocktails are super fun and super easy to make. What you're going to need is a sheet of our edible Halloween stickers. You're gonna need your favorite cocktail glass, some fun festive Halloween sprinkles. You can find both the sprinkles and the edible stickers right on our online shop. And then you're going to need a little bit of piping gel. The process from here is very easy. All you need to do is take a little bit of piping gel, and you're going to take that piping gel and put it on the outer edge of the cocktail rim, just like so. And then you are going to take the cocktail glass face down to those sprinkles. Give the sprinkles a little push just to make sure they adhere to that piping gel. Go all the way around the cocktail glass, and once you get those sprinkles attached, you'll be ready to fill your cocktail with some deliciousness. From here, all you're going to do is pick out your favorite cocktail or mocktail. If you need help with cocktail recipes, be sure to check out the cocktail section on the website. Fill out your cocktail glass, and then you're just going to take out one of those delicious edible Halloween stickers and float it right on top. Super easy, super fun, and sure to be a hit at your next party. Now, if you want to kick it up a notch, you can get a tray and fill it up with some festive Halloween candy. We've added some Halloween cookies that we made in a previous tutorial, so be sure to check that out. We've added some fun little blinky lights to our cocktail glasses, and then we're going to simply float those edible stickers right on top, and you've got yourself a ghoulish, spooky cocktail. Happy Halloween! Be sure to like and follow for more good eats and sweet treats.